Welcome to Car Culture, where we explore the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of 2025, the all-new Lamborghini. As the luxury automaker continues to redefine performance and design, the 2025 Lamborghini promises to take driving enthusiasts to new heights. Let's take a closer look at what makes this vehicle stand out. The 2025 Lamborghini embodies a design philosophy that pushes the boundaries of automotive aesthetics. From the aggressive front fascia to the sleek, aerodynamic lines, every curve of this car has been crafted to make a statement. The sharp, angular headlights and bold grille design not only enhance its visual appeal but also improve airflow for better performance. Lamborghini's commitment to lighter-weight materials, such as carbon fiber and aluminum, ensures the car's body remains both durable and efficient. One of the most striking features is the rear end, where the combination of sharp edges and futuristic tail lights give the car a distinctive look that sets it apart from any competitor on the road. The 2025 Lamborghini also incorporates cutting-edge active aerodynamics, allowing the vehicle's body to adjust based on speed and driving conditions, further improving downforce and stability. Step inside the 2025 Lamborghini, and you're greeted with an interior that exudes opulence and precision engineering. Every detail has been designed with the driver in mind, blending high-end materials such as leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber throughout the cabin. The cockpit-style seating arrangement ensures that the driver feels immersed in the experience, with all controls within easy reach and a commanding view of the road ahead. The dashboard features a minimalist, yet highly functional layout, incorporating dual digital screens that control everything from navigation to climate settings. Lamborghini's latest infotainment system is more intuitive than ever, offering seamless connectivity with smartphones and voice-activated controls. The seats, which are both heated and ventilated, offer a level of comfort that makes even the longest drives feel effortless. At the heart of the 2025 Lamborghini lies a powerhouse of performance. The car is equipped with a next-generation V10 or V12 engine, depending on the model, capable of producing mind-blowing horsepower that propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of seconds. Paired with Lamborghini's advanced dual-clutch transmission, the power is delivered smoothly and efficiently, ensuring rapid acceleration and precise shifts. The 2025 Lamborghini's handling is where it truly shines. With a lighter-weight yet rigid chassis and a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, the car offers unparalleled stability and cornering ability, making it a joy to drive on both winding roads and straightaways. Whether you're pushing it to its limits on the track or cruising around town, this vehicle delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Additionally, Lamborghini has made significant improvements to the car's suspension system, using active dampers to adjust to varying road conditions. This gives the 2025 Lamborghini a level of adaptability that allows it to perform exceptionally well in a variety of environments, from tight urban streets to open highways. The 2025 Lamborghini isn't just a marvel of performance, it's also a showcase of the latest in automotive technology. Among the most impressive features is the car's fully integrated AI-driven system, which can analyze driving habits and make real-time adjustments to optimize performance. Whether it's adjusting the suspension, steering, or throttle response, the AI ensures the car is always in peak condition. Lamborghini has also incorporated cutting-edge safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a comprehensive collision avoidance system. These features work seamlessly to provide a safer driving experience without compromising the thrill of driving a high-performance vehicle. The car also boasts an advanced hybrid powertrain in certain models, offering the perfect blend of power and efficiency. With this, Lamborghini is not only meeting the growing demand for eco-friendly vehicles but also proving that performance and sustainability can coexist. The 2025 Lamborghini is an awe-inspiring fusion of design, performance, and technology. With its breathtaking looks, blistering speed, and unparalleled driving dynamics, it continues Lamborghini's legacy of producing some of the most sought-after cars in the world. Whether you're a die-hard enthusiast or a casual admirer, this new model is bound to turn heads and elevate the driving experience to unprecedented levels. For more updates and insights into the latest in the automotive world, be sure to subscribe to Car Culture. We'll keep you in the loop on all things car, so stay tuned.